Just wanted to show off my attempt at etching my own printed circuit board. It's a circuit for a very simple metal detector, and this is the traces for it. It's a single IC that goes right in the center, right there, and then there's a variable capacitor. It's like a square one that goes there, and then speaker, little piezo speaker gets hooked up right there where that little speaker symbol is, and those 2 points, it's supposed to say A there. That's for coil A, and that's those 3 dots there. It's supposed to be B, and that's for coil B there. And then the arrow there is for ground, and yeah, again, it's an 8-pin IC right in the center of everything. And there might be like a capacitor or something, some other component off to the side, or a resistor or something like that. I don't remember. Oh, there's like a power connection. I think that's power connection there for positive voltage, and then the negative voltage is again the arrow. I think that's everything that's on this circuit. It's a really basic circuit. I used a photosensitive whatever you call it, that film, that purple film that you put on it, and then you expose it to light, to UV light, with a blacked out version of your circuit over top of it. And then after it's been exposed to light, then you expose it to iron chloride in water, and I made that myself too. That's outside there. You can see in those jars there. The one on the right, or the one on the left, is copper chloride, iron chloride and water. The one on the right is the one that I put the circuit board in. So the reason it turned a bit green is because some of that iron chloride got converted to copper chloride when it etched the copper off of the circuit board, and then it went into solution. So yeah, it's not perfect, but I had a few failed attempts trying to get that photoresist. That's what it's called, photoresist. I had a few failed attempts with that photoresist shit. This stuff not sticking to the board properly, so there was bubbles and stuff. There's spots on the circuit that weren't that didn't stay on. But this one finally came out to a point where I think that once I get all the components on there, I think the thing's actually going to be functional. I think it's pretty sweet. Maybe a little bit too much work for such a simple circuit, but I think I might do it again if I've got a more complicated, a little bit larger circuit board that I want to do myself. I might go ahead and do this one again. It was a pretty good results for the amount of effort that goes into this kind of project. All right, that's it.